A very good morning to all of you. Welcome back to my class. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. As you all know that we have started our poem A Journey Through Space. Today we are going to do question and answers for this poem, but before we do question and answers, one more time we will recite the poem A Journey Through Space. So let's go. Oh, what fun it would be to journey through space, to land on the moon and walk on its face. Second paragraph, to journey through space, to Venus or Mars, to reach Jupiter or maybe new stars. Third paragraph, to journey through space, to planets unknown, to settle on them and make them our own. Last paragraph, a journey through space, I would welcome with joy. Whatever I see, I would fully enjoy. I am going to read the question. Now, see, we will do fill in the blanks. First A. Fill in the blanks with the correct word from the brackets. First one. There are many stars and planets in space. There are many stars and planets in space. Second, Venus and Mars are planets. Venus and Mars are planets. Third one, we can travel through space in a spaceship. We can travel through space in a spaceship. Fourth one, the child wants to land on the moon. The child wants to land on the moon. B. Answer the following questions. First question, what does the child wants to do when he lands on the moon? What does the child want to do when he lands on the moon? Answer, the child wants to walk on the face of the moon when he lands on it. The child wants to walk on the face of the moon when he lands on it. Second question, name 3 planets the child wants to see. Name 3 planets the child wants to see. Answer, the child wants to see Venus, Mars and Jupiter. The child wants to see Venus, Mars and Jupiter. Third question, what will he do when he reaches some unknown planets? What will he do when he reaches some unknown planet? Answer, the child will settle on the planets and make them his own. The child will settle on the planets and make them his own. Fourth question, how will the child welcome a journey through space? How will the child welcome a journey through space? Answer, the child will welcome a journey through space with joy. The child will welcome a journey through space with joy. Fifth one, rhyming words. Space, face, own, unknown, Mars, stars, joy, enjoy. Rhyming words. Space, face, own, unknown, Mars, stars, joy, enjoy. Thoughts. What all things would you like to do if you get the opportunity to journey through space? What all things would you like to do if you get the opportunity to journey through space? Children, write the answer in your own word. Like in this poem, the child wants to land on the moon. And in the poem, the child will welcome a journey through space with a joy. So write in your own word. Dear students, note down this question and answers in your English notebook. That's all for today. Thank you.